Yeah, usually the things I say don't make a lot of sense, like in the next previous video. Sec. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But I really need to put more points in this explosive charge skill. It really doesn't do much damage. These Dream Evil songs really go well with this game. I think we're almost there. Ouch! Die! Bam! I love that skill. We really need to use it more. I need to put more points in it, and can blow stuff up, like so. Bam! As you can see, it doesn't do much damage, so I need to put more points in it, and I think it. What does it do? Regeneration damage. I don't know. Damn! Hey, stop that! Die! Is that any good? It is good. Not good. Ah, this is a big city. Big shitty. Big city. Hello! What the hell? These damned rebels, they have been causing nothing but trouble ever since our master Dimitri made himself king. Clear off and don't make any trouble. No promises. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna check something. Yeah. Okay, where the hell am I supposed to go anyway? Now this isn't the same town that we were in last. It's there. We're here now. It looks a bit the same. But Dimitri is king now. It looks a lot the same, but it ain't the same. Look, there wasn't stuff like this there. Oh, what's this place? Cathedral or church. Nothing to steal, unfortunately. Oh, look. In the backyard there's a combo master and where the heck is it? There. I'm blind. So, combo master. Hell yeah! Get some arts, and I know exactly what I'm gonna take. Where is it? Huh? There. Huh? Some more? We have tons of these other classes. Runes? Think we still have them? Yeah, lots of them. But Soul Catcher, can we use our own class? Yeah, we can. Revenge hard hit. Let's use that. Unfortunately, now we don't have a fourth one. If we use that, it just gives us a random of our own class. Should we do that or wait till we get a fourth one? We don't know what crap we're gonna get if we use it. Should we risk it? Let's take the safe route. see any more. Safe. Didn't do this. Okay. Yeah, better ring. A lot better. And let's see what else we have in here. Plus 10 to attack, disarming plus 1. We don't have disarming. Yeah, attack speed. I really like having attack speed. Coveted Ring of Truth. This has lots of plus attack. And I'm gonna get rid of that protection ring. I'm just gonna put more attack stuff. Gonna sell the rest. And save. Really hope these videos work, as I again forgot to save at the start of the episodes. I really should remember to do that. Okay. Next we need to find a shop somewhere around there. There's also a quest that we might do. Sell these. Yeah, pretty much going through them. Yeah, I checked that out. Plus 2 revenge hard hit. Yeah. What the heck was that? Well, if I don't like this song, I'll put it down. Turn it off. I don't care if you like it. It's weird, at least. No, I won't do anything like that. I won't take your goods. Okay, save. And now we're gonna do the... I've been quiet again. I'm concentrating on all this stuff. But now we're gonna continue with the main quest. We're gonna start finishing this game, as we've gotten we've gotten to the third act pretty quickly, at least. Thinking only taking us 20 episodes. Of the Brave Rock. This is weird music. Oh yeah, I forgot them. Is it this? You don't look like one of the women's voice. You don't look like one of the Mortis scoundrels. This isn't a woman's voice, this is just a weird voice. If you want information, talk to Pry. They say he knows a lot of the rebels. A lot about the rebels. You can usually find him outside the tavern of Azara's Call. Okay. I don't like this. I really don't know why the quick button doesn't work. Okay, in the next part I'll find that dude he was talking about. Also, I'll fix that Winamp system and lots of other stuff. Oh, look. Some beggar had hidden his sparkling helmet and we stole it. All this in sacred Bye guys!